Currencies this morning, so the DXY is still holding this low, still doing bugger all nothing in terms of giving us confirmation one way or the other, and therefore in the euro we've got similar. It's coming off a little, but we need to see it get on with it. And ultimately with the euro, we have to take the bottom of this move out here to confirm that we're in this fifth of one, as opposed to an A, B, and that's a one as a leading diagonal for the C of 2, as opposed to an ending diagonal for the C of 4. Okay, cable this morning, it's holding. I think this probably do with one more squiggle up into this target zone for this B wave, then we should get the C of the B of 2 down. And in this region, I will be looking for a swing long position in cable. US dollar Japanese yen is pushing up again this morning, which is great. Looking for 113.75 next, still long from 110, and still looking for 115. And if we just look at the daily chart, yeah, we're a hair's breadth from taking out that 113.18, which is the top of this A wave here that I want to see taken out next in the US dollar Japanese yen. And Australian dollar, it needs to kind of hold here at this 72.31, the 618, and push up and complete the 3, 4, 5. So just keeping an eye on that.